Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY design for the 21st century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed my rendition of the Glam Mackenzie themed Thanksgiving tablescape. Also, if you'd like to know more about the items I used in this tablescape, please visit my description box as I've listed the items there as far as where I purchased them and which items are DIYs. Now, also, I want to mention the host of this collaboration. This collaboration was hosted by the Glam Squad. The members of the Glam Squad are Styling with Stacy, Glamour Ellen, Queen of DIY, that's Tammy, DIY Design by CCW, that's myself, I'm Candy, Elegantly Designed by B, as well as Renters Live Luxury by Ann. Links to all of the ladies' channels as well as the playlists have been provided in my description box, and I hope you'll go and visit again all of their channels as well as that playlist. You will not regret it, I promise you. Also, if you're a member of this channel, I thank you so much, for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you'll do that today and tap that bell at least 2 times so that you'll be notified every time I upload new content. Now again, I thank you so much for watching, and you know what I say at the end of every video. I can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in my next video. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a good day or a good night. Bye-bye.